everybody, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna talk to you about my Tahitian dance experience while I am using new makeup that I got from Shein. If you follow me for a while, you had seen few makeup video because on top of Tahitian dance, makeup is one of my passion as well, even though I don't wear makeup that much. You're gonna use this concealer, kind of drier than other concealer, so it doesn't move that much, you know. When you blend it, it just stays in place, which I like. I was born and raised in Tahiti, and in Tahiti, dancing is part of our culture. I grew up watching Tahitian dance everywhere, at school, every occasion, for wedding, for birthday celebration, for any celebration, we are dancing. I'm now going to use this duo, which is lip liner and lipstick. I started dancing in a Tahitian dance school when I was about 4 years old, and I didn't last long. I am a very emotional person. I remember that the teacher was trying to teach me to dance the right way, and as a little kid, very emotional, I took it the wrong way and I didn't want to go anymore. So I think I lasted few months, if not less. But yeah, I remember the day she told me that I was doing something wrong, and I was scared and I didn't want to go back ever. I had a lot of occasion to dance, at school, at church, literally everywhere in the family. I loved dancing. I was 16. I had the opportunity to participate to the Heiva, which is the biggest Tahitian dance festival in Tahiti. It was an amazing opportunity that I loved so much. It was a lot of work, a lot of trainings, but I really loved it. And really love this gloss as well from Sheglam. Let me just try it without the lips. I thought it would be a good color for my natural lip color. Was I right? Yeah. I love it. It just enhanced my natural lip color. I went to another Tahitian school for a few months before I left Tahiti, and I improved a lot there. As I was an adult, I understood things a bit more. I was, more understanding, less scared. When I left Tahiti and I came to New Zealand, I stopped dancing. A few years ago, I decided that, I want to improve in Tahitian dance. Like, I have the basics. Why not trying my best to improve in Tahitian dance, which I did, and that's when I shared my first videos as well on TikTok, and when a lot of you were interested to learn. So from there, it's been nearly 3 years, 2-3 years that I have taken Tahitian dance more seriously in my life, because before it was just on occasion when I wanted a workout to perform for a wedding or something like that, but it wasn't to learn and come back to the basics and improve my skills. And yeah, since a lot of you are asking, this is my little story about Tahitian dance. I have been dancing for a while and I love it, but to be honest, I improved more here in New Zealand, learning by myself. And not long ago, I found this free class, which is a Kukalen dance class. But Kukalen dance and Tahitian dance are so similar. Sometimes there's movements that are not natural for me. All I do is that I adapt and I do the way it's more comfortable to me, because I want to improve in Tahitian dance in particular, and few movements are not the same, so I have to adapt. But yeah,